fantastic view. It's not often that they stick around when you get this close. Very, very close to this one. It's again your woodland kingfisher.
I think you transplant.
Notice the different colored beaks, the top and the bottom mandible being different colors. Quite a large eye as well. In winter time we don't see these guys at all, they're only here in summer. In winter we see more brown-headed kingfishers and striped kingfishers, but in summertime these ones are the pretty dominant ones in terms of visibility and calling and activity. Bit of a tricky call to mimic, but that's what they sound like.